Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video we will be solving some MCQ and MSQ topic carbohydrate. So let's start with first question. First question is pyranose is ring structure with, and the option given are A 4 member, B 5 member, C 6 member and D 8 member. Pyranose is basically a six-membered sugar ring that result from the reaction of aldehyde group with the OH at C5. So the right answer is option number C, that is six-member. Pyranose is a six-membered ring. If we talk about five-membered ring, so five-membered ring is known as furanose. It is made by a reaction of aldehyde group with the OH at C4. Now moving to next question. Question number second is which saccharides are responsible for flatulency? This is MSQ. So the option given are A raffinose, B starch, C stachiols and D verbascose. So the saccharides that are responsible for flatulency are the basically oligosaccharides, and the right option are A raffinose, C stachiols and D verbascose. If we talk about further about these compounds, raffinose is made up of one molecule of galactose, one molecule of glucose and one molecule of fructose. Stachiols is made up of two molecule of galactose and one molecule of glucose and one molecule of fructose, and verbascose is made up of three molecule of galactose, one molecule of glucose and one molecule of fructose. So the correct option are A, C and D. Now moving to third question. Third question is heating of caramellin result in formation of. Option number A is caramellin, B humin, C fructose, D glucose. As we all know, during the caramelization process, the first compound that is formed is isosaccharosone, which further heating made a compound, a pigment which is known as caramellin, and caramellin for further heating made caramellin, and then caramellin is converted into humin, which is a dark pigment. So the correct option is B humin. Heating of caramellin result in the formation of humin. Now moving to next question. Next question is select correct pair of hydrogenated form. It is MSQ type question. First is glucose to sorbitol, lactose is lactitol, mannose is dulcitol and galactose is also dulcitol. We have to select the correct pair of hydrogenated form. As we all know, by hydrogenate the glucose we get sorbitol, so it is correct. By hydrogenation of lactose we get lactitol, it is also correct. By hydrolysis of mannose we do not get dulcitol, we get mannitol, so this option is wrong, and the option number D is galactose to dulcitol. Yes, option number D is also correct. So the right options are A, B and D. Now moving to next question. It is also MSQ. Select correct pair. Option number A is microbial gum. Is a xanthan gum is a microbial gum or not? Guar gum is seaweed gum. Locust bean gum seed gum. Microbial gum arabic. So the first option is xanthan gum is a microbial gum. Yes, xanthan gum is a microbial gum. So option number A is correct. Guar gum is seaweed gum. No, guar gum is a seed gum. So this option is wrong. Next is locust bean gum is a seed gum. Yes, locust bean gum is a seed gum. And the last option is gum arabic is microbial gum. No, gum arabic is a plant exudate, so it is not a microbial gum. So the correct options are A and C. Now moving to sixth question. Sixth question says stachiols is a And we already discussed in above question that stachiols is made up of 2 galactose, 1 glucose and 1 fructose. So that means it is a tetrasaccharide. So the option number C is correct. Stachiols is a tetrasaccharide. Now moving to 7th question. It is also MSQ. It says linkages of different molecules. We have to select the correct pair of linkages. First is cellulose beta 1,4. Second option is amylose alpha 1,4. Third option is lactose alpha 1,4. And the last option is maltose beta 1,4. So as we all know in cellulose, yes, cellulose is linked by beta 1,4 linkage. Amylose alpha 1,4, yes, amylose is also linked by alpha 1,4 linkages. Lactose alpha 1,4, no, lactose is made up of the linkage of beta 1,4 between glucose and galactose. And maltose contain beta 1,4, no, maltose contain alpha 1,4. So the correct options are A and B. Now moving to 8th question. 8th question is oxidation of the terminal alcoholic group of aldose without the oxidation of the aldehyde group gives option number A aldaric acid, option number B aldonic acid, option number C aldouronic acid, option number D alditol. So let's start. Like first option is aldaric acid. Aldaric acid we obtain when both end of aldose is oxidized, that is both carbohydrate and alcohol. If both the group are oxidized, then it form the aldaric acid. So it is not a correct option. If we talk about aldonic acid is made by oxidation of aldehyde group only in aldose. So it is also not a correct option. Aldouronic acid, yes, aldouronic acid is a correct option because by oxidation of the terminal alcoholic group of aldose form aldouronic acid. So the correct option is option number C, alditol. The last option, alditol, is made by reduction of the carboxyl group of monosaccharide and they form alditol. So the correct option is option number C, that is aldouronic acid. Now moving to 9th question. 9th question is lactulose is made up of, and the option given are A galactose and glucose, B galactose and mannose, C galactose and fructose, and D galactose and galactose. So the correct option is lactulose is made up of galactose and fructose, option number C. As we all know, lactose is made up of galactose and glucose, and here the lactulose is made up of galactose and fructose. Now moving to 10th question. 10th question is raffinose is a, and the option given are A disaccharide, B monosaccharide, C trisaccharide, and D polysaccharide. Raffinose is a trisaccharide. Raffinose is made up of one molecule of galactose, one molecule of glucose, and one molecule of fructose. So it is a trisaccharide. Option number C. Now moving to next question. Question number 11. Select the correct pair of sugar and enzyme from which they hydrolyze. It is MSQ type question. And we have to select a sugar and their enzyme by which they can hydrolyze. So the first option is lactose and the enzyme given are alpha galactosidase. Second option is stachiols and the enzyme given is beta galactosidase. Third option is sucrose and the enzyme given is invertase. Last option is starch and the enzyme given is amylase. So first is lactose. For hydrolyzing lactose, we need beta galactosidase, which is also known as lactase. So this option is incorrect. Next option is stachiols, beta galactosidase. No, for stachiols, we need alpha galactosidase. This option is also incorrect. C is sucrose. Yes, for sucrose hydrolyzing, we need invertase. And for starch, yes, for starch we need amylase. So the option number C and D are correct. Now moving to 12th question. Which of the following is not included in hexoses? And the option given are galactose, arabinose, mannose and fructose. The correct option is arabinose. As we all know, galactose, mannose and fructose, these three are hexoses, while the arabinose is pentose sugar. So the correct option is option number B. Now moving to next question. Question number 13. Isomerization of glucose to fructose is done with, and the option given are A. Glucose isomerase, B. Galactose isomerase, C. Mannose isomerase and D. None. And the right answer is A. Glucose isomerase. Glucose isomerase do isomerization of glucose to fructose. So these are the answers of every questions.